everyone, this is Chris from SlashGear. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 10.0. Now this device is obviously made to be used indoors, but what we're doing right now is to give you a perfect vision of what this is hardware-wise, is to do it out in the sunlight, but also to show you that the display is relatively bright, and certainly bright enough to be using if you are out on the beach or whatever you need to be doing. Now here you can see, just in a basic way, we are using TouchWiz here, but it's really basic. It has sort of just the basics for apps. Most of them are added by Samsung and Google. Since this is not a carrier edition quite yet, it is only working with those two sets of apps. One of the first things that you see when you open this device is a Dropbox edition. You're able to get 50 extra gigabytes right there from the cloud. Otherwise you have your internal storage. Beyond that, you have a micro SD card slot right here. You can add storage that way. You also have a power button here, volume up, down, IR blaster, so you can control your TV set or any other thing that's controlled with infrared around your house. Here you have one of two speakers around the sides. When you're holding the device, this will echo up towards your face. We're not sure quite yet if that's more powerful or better by any means than the previous editions of this device, which had a front-facing speaker, but we'll be checking that out. Right here you have your headphone jack as well. On the bottom you have a microphone hole, a micro USB port, so you'll be able to power it up and connect to your PC. Here's your other speaker hole right there, grill rather. On the back you have a really regular sort of stark white back facade. Here you have the Samsung brand, and here you have these little things to say Wi-Fi, your other sort of FCC sort of stuff, and you have a back-facing camera with no LED flash. Check out the rest of the review. We'll be comparing this device to other devices as well, and see you then.